So, hello everybody. This is a unboxing pack for my watch. It's a Palaice Roiale 873 V2. Okay, let's start the unpacking. Let's see what we have here. This has to be super special. It's a edited edition, limited edition. So let's see what we have here. Okay, okay. Okay, baby. So let's try to take it out. We take it out from the box. Super. And now this is the box. Very nice box. Super nice quality. Let's see what we have inside. Okay. Okay. Good. So we have here the certificate of authenticity for my beautiful watch. Okay. So it's a description of my lovely watch. Okay. Let's put it here. Super. This is wonderful what I receive for the moment. Okay. Let's see the surprise. We take it out. Oh. This is a beautiful and wonderful box. Lovely package. Very nice. Okay. How you can see, everything is very detailed here. It's silicone to keep him in the very nice way. It's looking super nice. Okay. The box is wonderful. Oh, we have a reviews in Google. And let's see my lovely watch. Very nice details. Extremely nice details. With diamonds, with everything included. Let's take it out. Wonderful details. We can see here everything. beautiful watch. And it's not the first one, so I buy it 2 and I wait for the second. I have to adjust my bracelet. Voilà. This next in the next video. Okay. Let's see what we have more here. I have to do a small adjustment for the and here what we have. Oh, the adjustment, look, and what we find here, another brief. The card, the guarantee, how you can see, yeah, 873 V2, super. Let's see what we have in the brief, what we receive here, in the briefcase, we have something to keep him clean and nice. Okay, this is super. Everything is very nice made it. It's special. This is a special edition. You can see it's wonderful. Everything is in the beautiful way. Make it. I will show you one more time. The box is here. Let's try to take it out again. The currency. So, this is my beautiful acquisition. I'm so happy with this. People, I recommend this beautiful watch. It's crazy. It's wonderful. Look the details. Every details are so beautiful. So, I hope to people who look this video to enjoy this, and I tell you, it's a very nice gift.